I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Canva designs into shareable templates using only free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate your own Canva template link so other people can use your design without editing your original file. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account and open the design you want to turn into a template. Once you're inside, click Share at the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll see 3 dots or an option labeled More. Click that and scroll until you find the one that says Template Link. Once you click it, Canva will automatically generate a unique link for your design. This link lets anyone use your layout as a new editable copy while your original project stays safe and untouched. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just learned how to turn your Canva designs into templates, simple, secure, and perfect for sharing with clients, teams, or selling as digital products online. If you want to learn step by step how to do that, we made a separate video to guide you. Just click the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.